Hello, everyone. Thanks for attending. My name is Tim. I'm a software developer at Blockchain. So what do we do at Blockchain? Well, we are a Bitcoin company. We are known for having the most popular Bitcoin wallet in the world. But before I talk about Blockchain and our APIs, I'm going to first give a short introduction into Bitcoin first. For those who already know about it, please bear with me. So first of all, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a technology, a protocol, and a peer-to-peer network. So what does this protocol do? Primarily, the Bitcoin protocol is about relaying and securing transactions. And it is done in a distributed peer-to-peer fashion. Any computer that runs the Bitcoin software is a node that verifies and relays transactions to other nodes. The network of Bitcoin nodes is actually the world's largest distributed peer-to-peer network. Last I checked, there are about over 7,000 Bitcoin nodes out there. So what Bitcoin is not, it is not a company, it is not centrally controlled, and it is open source. Like I said before, Bitcoin is a protocol, much like HTTP or SMTP. So at a higher level, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a payment system and a digital currency. You could think of it like a distributed PayPal or a Visa. So when a transaction happens, it is permanently recorded in the Bitcoin blockchain, which is a large distributed database. Any node that running the Bitcoin software will have a copy of this same database. So enter blockchain. What do we do with Bitcoin? Well, to be able to transact in the Bitcoin system, you need a digital wallet. And there are a number of services out there that provide a digital wallet. Blockchain, Us, Green Address, and others. By the way, did I mention that blockchain is the most popular Bitcoin wallet in the world? Oh, not only do we offer a wallet service, at blockchain.info, you can search transactions, study charts, or review currency statistics. We also host the most complete and most used enterprise Bitcoin APIs. Many Bitcoin companies out there rely on our service. So here's a little bit of history about our company. We first launched in November 30th, 2011. First of all, blockchain started off as a website where you could look up data about the blockchain in a nice web view. Then later, we launched our APIs. Then we launched our wallet service on mobile and web. Then we added multi-language support. And we hit 1 million users in November 30th of 2013. And later on, we launched our merchant app. And then later on, we also acquired a lease on Bitcoin.com. And as of now, we have over 2 million users. So for right now, I'm going to go straight into talk about the APIs. So on the screen right here, I have an example API call using a curl. And to get data on any one transaction using an API, you could use the following API call. This is what a Bitcoin transaction looks like. It's probably too small for you guys to see maybe, but the important takeaway here is that a Bitcoin transaction is a serialized JSON object stored on the blockchain. And to be able to send and receive Bitcoins, you first need a Bitcoin address. And many wallet services out there will provide you with Bitcoin addresses. And this API example returns data on a Bitcoin address and any transaction associated with it. Okay, and here's our WebSocket API. To be able to listen to new Bitcoin transactions that come in real time, you could use a WebSocket API. With this, you can listen to Bitcoin transactions corresponding to a certain address in real time. You can even use our API to listen to all Bitcoin transactions that occur in real time. Another way to listen to Bitcoin transactions is using a receive payment API. And the blockchain receive payment API is the quickest and easiest way to begin accepting automated Bitcoin payments. With just one API call, a merchant can start accepting Bitcoin payments immediately. In fact, our merchant app uses this API. And for more information on our API, you can visit blockchain.info/API. And finally, to sum things up, at Blockchain, it is our vision to completely transform and reimagine how the world transacts.